Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure battery is above 50% or keep it on charger to avoid interruption. Once done, back up your photos, contacts, and any app data to cloud or a PC so you can restore later. Now open Settings and go to About Phone to confirm MIUI version and install pending updates. This avoids reappearing bugs. After updates, head back to the main settings screen so you can begin the actual system reset process. You will now execute the factory reset. Open Settings, tap System and Device, then Reset Options and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. When prompted, confirm your lock screen PIN or password. This secures your data. If you want a full clean, select the option to erase internal storage, otherwise leave it unchecked. Once you confirm, the phone will reboot and perform the reset. Make sure not to interrupt power or remove the SIM. After the reset completes, you'll walk through the initial setup. Choose language, connect Wi-Fi, sign into your My and Google accounts, and restore backups. Make sure apps and permissions are set to your preferences. If the phone gets stuck on boot, power off and enter recovery with power plus volume up, then wipe cache or retry the reset. If problems persist, reflash MIUI using My Flash on a PC or contact Xiaomi support for guided recovery. This fixes firmware corruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.